Welcome back to the channel. This time around, we are going to be looking at 15 revolutionary AI-powered glasses, which will revolutionize the use of technology for you. The future is here, as these cool tech gadgets are meant to replace your smartphone and bring all your calls, messaging, navigation, and AI features to your eye level. Be ready to be blown away by how amazing the future can get from these advancements. Stay tuned as we reveal it all for you today. Number 1. Monako Glass. Monako Glass is an exciting piece of hardware that marks the development of the wearable technology from mere notifications to artificial intelligence and productivity features. It is created as a portable and handy device that integrates a waveguide display, a camera, speakers, and an OS into one single device. In contrast to other gadgets, Monako Glass focuses on improving productivity and creativity rather than providing entertainment. With the help of a bone conduction microphone and vision-based gesture system, it allows users to interact with the world around without disturbing elements. The connection with advanced AI tools, software, and development platforms turns any ordinary task into a convenient process. Monako Glass is based on the Linux platform. It allows customizing the product and high-performing operations. Number 2. Oakley Meta AI Glasses. The Oakley Meta AI Glasses represent a new era of innovation in the world of smart wearable gadgets because it is a blend of athletic glasses and AI-powered gadgets. It combines Oakley's iconic frames with the advanced features of an AI gadget, which makes everyday life convenient for active people. It has a camera system that enables the user to take pictures and shoot videos instantly, while using voice control to call someone or play music without having to touch the glasses. The glasses have open-ear speakers and microphones, which make it possible to hear clearly without hearing any environmental sound. The design of these glasses is water-resistant, and it fits comfortably around the ears. Also, its long battery life makes it convenient for extended wear. In conclusion, the integration of AI in the design of Oakley glasses offers an innovative way of using digital products. Number 3 was XREAL Aura. XREAL Aura becomes a key step into the future of spatial computing as it combines augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and the idea of wearability in one product. Designed as light glasses, the device enables its user to consume digital content and at the same time be completely aware of the real-life environment. In contrast to heavy headsets, XREAL Aura emphasizes the comfort and wearability, making it possible to use the gadget on a daily basis, both in productivity and leisure. Being supported by Android XR and cutting-edge technology, the product offers interactive apps for productive, educational, communicative, and media purposes. With its sensors, it provides natural gesture control and environmental detection features for more intuitive interaction with digital content. Contrary to other devices, which isolate their user, XREAL Aura displays information directly in the real-life environment. The way it merges AI and extended reality in the wearables demonstrates the future of wearable technology. Number 4. RayNeo Air 4 Pro. The RayNeo Air 4 Pro is set to change the game of portable entertainment through its unique approach to experiencing digital media in a mobile format. Rather than having a bulky screen or headset device, the smart glasses provide an illusion of using a huge private screen within one's own field of vision. Connecting the glasses to one's smartphone, laptop, console, and any other device becomes easy and convenient, providing access to movies, games, and applications no matter where you are. Thanks to the innovative display, high resolution with bright colors, clear contrasts, and fast-moving images ensure a more immersive and enjoyable experience. Built-in quality speakers add up to this, making sure that not only the visuals but also the sound remains of top-notch without letting anyone else hear it. Even though the device is powerful enough, it is also light enough to use it comfortably for a long time. Number 5. Captify Glasses. The Captify Glasses are one of the most advanced and efficient gadgets that utilize AI technology to enhance real-time communications. Designed to project instant captions right into the user's view, these glasses translate spoken dialogues into the written form in real time, thus making it unnecessary for the user to use their smartphone or any other device. Not only do these glasses transcribe dialogues in real time, but can also perform multi-language translations to help users converse with people of other nationalities more effectively. These glasses are equipped with advanced microphones that enable clear audio recording and help minimize background noises to ensure better and more reliable results. Being light and convenient for everyday usage, the Captify glasses illustrate the potential that AI-powered wearable technology possesses. Number 6. Specs. Smart glasses. The Specs smart glasses provide a real-life example of how wearable AI can integrate well into our lives. With the design of lightweight glasses, they seek to eliminate the need for smartphones by offering immediate access to all necessary information via voice communication. Microphones and speakers will enable users to make calls, listen to audio, and communicate with AI assistants via voice commands. In contrast to visual augmentations, the focus of Specs is on providing distraction-free interaction, which allows users to stay aware of their environment while being constantly connected with their digital devices. That is why these glasses are useful when it comes to activities like traveling, commuting, work, and socializing. By emphasizing the importance of comfortable and easy-to-use technology, Specs smart glasses represent an embodiment of future technology. They show the current trend towards wearables, which means that the role of AI as our communication helper will become increasingly important. Number 7. MIRA AI Glasses. MIRA AI glasses are an ingenious development in the field of wearables and have been designed with a particular focus on increasing productivity and privacy. The glasses have been designed using lightweight technology and include a display that is visible only to the wearer, thereby adding to the level of privacy for the user. The glasses include microphones and speakers, making interaction with the device easy and allowing users to perform various tasks by merely issuing voice commands. The device even allows the user to create search records of any conversations for ease of recollection in the future. MIRA AI glasses allow real-time captioning and translation of languages, thus making interactions easy despite barriers due to language differences. What makes this device particularly special is that it does not have a built-in camera and places complete emphasis on privacy. Number 8. Google Intelligent Eyewear. Google Intelligent Eyewear represents Google's big move into the future of wearable computing technology based on Android XR and Gemini AI. This product is not simply an accessory, but rather a digital overlay that appears in real time right in front of users' eyes and yet does not cut him off from reality. It has been created with the help of partners like Samsung, Qualcomm, Gentle Monster, and Warby Parker, and combines innovative technology with contemporary design, allowing for all-day usage. The collection features the audio version with microphones and speakers for making calls, sending messages, translating texts, and navigation by voice control. In addition, there is another version with in-lens display showing directions, notifications, and live translations. Thanks to deep Gemini AI, these eyewear glasses can recognize objects and provide context-based help to the users. The idea of Google Intelligent Eyewear is to make people less dependent on their smartphones. Number 9. Lucid Reebok. One example of sports-oriented wearable technology is Lucid Reebok Smart Eyewear. This innovative device integrates sportswear and smart audio features that can be used in everyday life as well as during workouts. In other words, Lucid Reebok Smart Eyewear does not replace the smartphone but is a useful companion when communicating, listening to music, and using voice assistants during exercise, travel, and everyday life. There are several models among which are Flash, Nitrous, Octane, and Voltage. Open-ear audio technology is used so that the user can listen to music and have phone conversations being aware of what happens around. Bluetooth technology makes it possible to connect the device to iOS, Android, and also use Siri, Google Assistant, and AI tools through the Lucid application. Number 10. Even Realities G2. The Even Realities G2 is a sleek product offering a sophisticated design of smart glasses, where it focuses more on lightweight augmented reality. The device aims at being as natural and unobtrusive as possible in people's day-to-day lives. It sports two micro LED waveguide displays in both lenses, which will be showing only a monochromatic user interface that works as an overlay rather than a screen. Without using cameras or speakers in the G2 model, the Even Realities G2 uses a 4-microphone array with smartphone processing via Bluetooth 5.2. This provides the device with capabilities like translations, directions, notifications, and even artificial intelligence help without compromising on the privacy. Through the Even Hub platform, one gets access to productivity features and contextual tools which decrease the dependence on screens. Number 11. Rokid AI Glasses Style. The Rokid AI Glasses Style is an elegant solution to wearable AI that turns regular eyeglasses into the best personal assistant of the future. While competing solutions provide bulky and uncomfortable headsets with an augmented reality function, Rokid offers a stylish device with a familiar look that can be comfortably worn throughout the day. This product is based on the TR90 flexible frame that is only 38.5 grams heavy. It includes a 12-megapixel Sony IMX681 camera for shooting 4K photographs and 3K videos from the first person's point of view. In addition, it works with the best AI systems such as ChatGPT and Gemini, supporting the Hey Rokid voice command for translating, identifying objects, navigating, etc. Directional speakers, microphone array, 4 mics, and 12 hours of battery work ensure perfect audio quality during the whole day. Besides, gesture control adds convenience to the user experience. Number 12. XREAL ROG-R1. The XREAL ROG-R1 is a groundbreaking gaming-focused AR glasses system developed through a collaboration between Asus ROG and XREAL. Designed for gamers who want a massive display experience without carrying a monitor, the R1 projects a virtual 171-inch screen while weighing only 91 grams. It features Sony Micro OLED displays with Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, an industry-leading 240 Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-fast 0.01 millisecond response time, delivering exceptionally smooth visuals for competitive gaming. The glasses offer a wide 57-degree field of view, native 3DOF spatial tracking, and electrochromic dimming technology that automatically adjusts lens transparency for different lighting conditions. Built-in Bose-tuned speakers provide immersive audio, while the included ROG control dock enables easy connectivity with PCs, consoles, and handheld gaming devices. With plug-and-play USB-C support, low latency, and premium visual quality, the XREAL ROG-R1 represents a major step forward in portable gaming displays. Number 13. Quark AI Glasses. The introduction of the Quark AI Glasses is Alibaba's attempt to become a part of the next era of wearable artificial intelligence that will allow transforming regular glasses into a smart assistant based on the company's large language model called QN. As opposed to serving only as a screen accessory, these glasses will provide users with real-time AI tools like translation, navigation, object recognition, and assistance in other daily digital activities. The Quark line includes two models, the Premium S1 and Lightweight G1, both developed specifically for everyday wearing experience as opposed to experimental wearables. The main focus of the S1 is on its functionality. Equipped with dual micro LED waveguide displays, it projects bright contextual information right in front of the wearer's eyes. Some of its capabilities include real-time translation, voice and text interaction, meetings transcription, and visual recognition thanks to a camera system. Number 14. Nuance Audio Hearing Glasses. The concept of Nuance Audio Hearing Glasses is unique because it combines prescription glasses with hearing aid technology in one frame. Instead of developing glasses with a camera and augmented reality, developers have decided to create a product that helps people hear the conversation better. Nuance audio hearing glasses were developed by EssilorLuxottica. These glasses utilize advanced beamforming and directional microphones that will help the user concentrate on the voice of the person standing right in front of him/her while decreasing other sounds around. The device features open-ear speakers located in the frame of the glasses, and they can amplify the sound without covering the user's ears. Users can also control amplification, noise reduction, and adjust listening modes through an accompanying application. In total, Nuance audio hearing glasses provide 8 to 10 hours of work and feature wireless charging. Number 15. HTC VIVE Eagle. The HTC VIVE Eagle is a next-generation AI smart glasses system designed to bring hands-free intelligence, communication, and content creation into everyday life. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 chipset, the glasses feature 4GB RAM and 32GB storage for responsive performance. A 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera captures photos at 3024 by 4032 resolution and records video at 1512 by 2016 at 30 frames per second. Weighing just 48.8 grams, the lightweight frame includes Zeiss UV 400 lenses, IP54 water and dust resistance, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Audio is delivered through dual bass-enhanced open-ear stereo speakers and a 4-microphone beamforming array. VIVE AI supports Google Gemini and OpenAI GPT, enabling voice assistance, image translation, navigation, and productivity features. The 235 mAh battery provides over 36 hours of standby time, up to 4.5 hours of music playback, and more than 3 hours of voice calls, with fast charging reaching 50% in just 10 minutes. And that brings us to an end of our list of 15 brilliant AI-powered glasses that can be used to replace your phone. Which ones of these did you find really interesting? Let us know in the comments section below. If you liked this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and enable the notification button. See you soon.